In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change iTunes and App Store country region on iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to expect, and how to confirm that everything worked. Make sure you have your iPhone handy and that you're signed in to your Apple ID. You may be asked to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password along the way. Start by opening the Apple App Store on your iPhone. In the top right corner, tap your profile icon to open your account page. At the very top, tap your Apple ID. This opens your account settings where you can manage purchases, subscriptions, and your region. Next, look for Country Region and tap it. On the following screen, choose Change Country or Region. This setting controls the storefront you see, including available apps, media, pricing, and featured content, which can vary from one country to another. Now it's time to pick your new location. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find the country you want. For example, if you're moving your account to Australia, select Australia from the list. After you tap your chosen country, tap Next. You'll typically see updated terms tied to that region, so take a moment to review them before continuing. When prompted, enter billing information that matches the new country. Fill out the address fields, including street, city, state, or region, postal code, and a local phone number format if required. Make sure the details follow the correct format for that country so your information is accepted. When everything looks good, tap Next to confirm that's it for the setup. Your Apple ID country or region is now updated. The App Store and iTunes will refresh to reflect the new country's storefront. You'll notice changes like local currency, different top charts, and region-specific apps and media. This is normal and confirms the change took effect. Keep in mind that app availability and pricing can differ, and some items you previously saw may no longer appear in this region. If you ever need to switch again, you can return to the same country region area and choose a different location using the exact process you just followed. After making any change, give the App Store a moment to refresh and consider force closing and reopening it if you don't see updates right away. And that's how you change your iTunes and App Store country or region on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.